Alright, today we're going to be riveting this Scott rod panel on. I got it scuffed because it's going to go body color with the engine bay. Already drilled our first hole. The sides have already been done and then welded in and smoothed over. That's the engine bay on a T-top notch. And then if you look out here, we have another T-top notch. Got a 5.2 big turbo S197. Got another notch over here with a 321 and an Elderbrock 2650. And then we have an SSP car. It's been modified a little bit. It's also I think it's a Gen 2 truck motor. 1.3 off the shelf kit. Alright, let's get back to this T-top in here. Don't mind the mess. Getting ready to rivet that. Just going to be using the Harbor Freight rivet gun, Chief brand or whatever from the Freight. Works really good. And just going to space them out wherever we need to hold it down and make it kind of look symmetrical. Check back.